Hey, just like that, it's Sunday. Crash Clark here with you, and you know where I start all the time, the 400 Restoration Project. Hey, when that's done by the end of the year, what am I going to talk about? I'm sure they'll have construction, multiple projects going on, nightly lane closures. Obviously, the big one is the milling and the paving, both sides of 285 between Ashford, Dunwoody, and Roswell Road. This is going to take us all the way up till 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, and they're working on the main line road, so be prepared. Major delays and a whole lot of pacing. Hate for you to get stuck. And they're doing the milling and grinding up 400 right around Glen Ridge to Abernathy. That's a double lane and ramp closure as well. We'll probably see that tomorrow morning also. All right, Acres Mill, the bridge construction continues. They've had the Acres Mill Road bridge over 75 and the 75 HOV exit at Acres Mill closed all weekend. They do have detours in place, so just be prepared to take a little evasive action. Big time delays up and down the 85 between Jimmy Carter and Old Peachtree north and southbound with multiple lane closures. Yeah, they're milling and paving there as well, and this should take us up hopefully not till 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Hope they get that wrapped up by 5. And we've got those downtown delays on the connector north and south between University and I-20. They're doing bridge rehab. Now they block 4 lanes, but they keep 3 lanes open for you, so you're still seeing some delays, especially if you're coming or going to the airport. 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Again, this is something that should be wrapped up by tomorrow morning. All righty, remember, watch your speed in all those GDOT work zones. We want to get those workers home safe. Put those phones down and pay attention, and make sure you stay weather aware with the free 11 Alive app. We've got some unsettled weather coming in during the middle of the week. 11 Alive News starts at 4:30 tomorrow morning. Have a great Sunday.